I'm back. With Battle Cats. So, welcome back to another episode of Battle Cats. I've gotten better. As you can see, here are my troops now. This is a normal cat. Wait, let me show you my book. In my, cat guide. Basic cat evolves to macho cat. Tank cat evolves to wall cat. Axe cat evolves to brave cat. And then I don't know the rest. But anyways, here are my specials. Ninja cat. Wait, first let me show you my comments, all of them, because you know. So you saw him, but you haven't seen this boy, and this other boy, and this boy, and that boy, and then my favorite out of all of them, Titan boy. But then there's Ninja cat, my most favorite cat of all. Samurai cat, zombie cat, beans cat, and as we go to my rare, there is this cat. I don't know how to pronounce it, so if you can pronounce it, and then my super rare cat, metal cat, apple cat, and then my uber super rares is ice cat and baby cat. Die. No, I'm joking. Okay. You guys are probably watching this to see a battle, aren't you, boys? Well, here's the battle now. We battle. Any minute now. Now. Okay. So here's my strategy. I just do this, and then each time I wait for I to get coins, and then I summon the troop. So I do that, and then that. You should download this anyways. If you like cats, you should download this game. Wall cat, let's go. With another macho cat. And I'm gonna need a brave cat next to a ninja cat and this cat. With another wall cat. And another brave cat. Don't worry, I didn't forget about the bean cat. Who the heck is this guy? I never heard of this person. Dear goodness, he looks strong. Oh no, she looks strong since it has a baby in it. There. Oh, I killed it. Okay. Max level. Okay. This is a good start. Damn it. As you can see, Ninja Cat is the fastest. Yeah. That was pretty much it. Let's see, what can I upgrade? I want to upgrade my ninja cat to its second stage, because I already did that to them. But I want my ninja cat. He's almost halfway there. He just needs 2 more level ups, and then he's fully evolved. 1 more level up, and then he's fully evolved. Now, let me check my enemy guide, because I don't know what the heck that kangaroo is. There's Doge, basic, Snake, basic, those guys, basic, rare. I don't care anymore. Oh yeah, about this guy also. But this guy, kangaroo. Okay. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I don't care. No, I didn't want to upgrade, I wanted battle. Okay, we're gonna battle now once again because I like to battle stuff. That one has 20,000 health. That's 5,000 more than mine. Okay, that's bad. Oh yeah, if you're looking at that thing on the top up there in the screen, that's the God Cat. If you tap on him, he'll basically help you. Okay, I'm gonna need my fast troops like Ninja Cat. Look how fast he walks. I have my cannon ready, but I'm gonna save it for something else when there's a mini boss thing. I don't even know if you can even hear my voice from this battle. Oh yeah, I forgot about these guys. Nice. There's a new cat. Kung Fu Cat. Whoa. Anyways, time to max up my ninja. Oh no, not mix him up. Evolve him. What the? Let's see in the menu. I have no idea what this is. What have they done to my child? Ninja Frog Cat. Oh. That's a second stage. That is full evolution. Oh, I guess I have a Ninja Frog Cat now. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and you should download this game.